Hey there! So, let's talk about a common problem that Python programmers may encounter when using Polars data frames in Altair for Ply. The issue arises when trying to statically type the output of a function that plots data frames with Altair, as the exact type is not readily available in Polars documentation. Now, the solution to this problem involves importing Altair in a specific way to help with static typing. By adding a few lines of code before the function declaration, you can ensure that Altair is imported only during type checking. This way, you can statically type the output of your plotting function as alt chart, providing clarity and structure to your code. In summary, by incorporating the suggested code snippet, you can effectively type the output of your plotting function when working with Polars data frames and Altair in Python. This simple adjustment enhances the readability and maintainability of your code, making it easier to debug and navigate. I hope this solution helps you tackle the typing issue in your projects. Well, that's all for today. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding and stay curious.